Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know, right? This is not a familiar place. As you can see, homegirl just arrived in the north. I just got here. Thank you so much, you guys, for clicking. I came to the north. I came to visit my parents for some few days, and I just arrived. I'm just waiting for our house is just not so far. I got dropped off right here, and because I have some stuff I won't be able to carry until home, so uh, a little girl is coming from home to just come and pick me up. So guys, I am at the village. Yes, you can see the open space, how beautiful my village looks like. I know. Yeah, home girl. Today you guys tell me, how do I look in this in my glasses? I know I slay. Yes. Anyways, stay tuned, you guys. I'm going to give you a house tour of our house, so you see how my house looks like. And yeah, the whole time that I'm staying here, be ready for good content about life in the village. Yeah, so yeah, stay tuned. You guys, these goats are attacking the mango tree. Yo, look at the way it's sending. They are attacking the mango tree. Hey, shh. Hi guys, good morning. How are you all doing? It's another day. It's another yet beautiful day. Thank you guys for clicking. Today I'm recording from the village, as you can see. Hey! Home girl is at the village. Home girl is at the village. Oh, I'm so excited to be here. Like, feel so, I feel so good to be at home. So, oh, so what you are doing today, I want to give you guys a short village house tour of our humble house, where my whole life started. As you can see, this whole grown person, this is where my whole life started from. This is where I was raised. This is where our parents raised us all from. And I just want to give you a house tour. Stay tuned. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. And leave a sweet comment. What do you think about this video? So, when you enter first, this is the main entrance. And the other one over there is a car entrance. So we are going to enter through the main entrance. Okay, so this is the entrance. You come in. The first thing you see is a tap. The first thing you see outside is a tap. We have clean water. Then you come here. This is Olpale. Yes. This is Olpale. This is where the men sit. Whenever they visit, whenever men come to your house, they don't come straight to where the lady stays. They sit here. And also, we have these seats, these benches. When you come in the house and you find these, and you come here and sit, whatever message you brought, wherever you sit, or I should say, whichever spot you take, whether you sit here or you sit right here or you sit over there, tells whether I've come in peace or not in peace. It tells. And then from here, you know, we have six. I have 6 sisters and 8. I mean, we are 8 in total. I have 8. We are 8 siblings in total, and I have two brothers. When you come here, This is okay, or maybe from the car entrance. This is what you see. This is one of my brother's room, and this is one of my other brother's room also. From there, we have this room where we're storing the tables, the chairs, and everything. And then you come here. This is another room. This is another room. Another sleeping room. And then we have this one. Another sleeping room. And such huge open space all around there. And then this is my dad's area. As you can see, this is his resting area here during the day. He lays down, but he has a little bed in there. That's where he rests during the day if you want to take a nap or something. And then we have a lemon tree. Yeah, it's so huge. It's so huge, and as you can see, there is still some that are not ripe yet, they are not ready yet. And then welcome to my dad's room. Dad, Rob, Dad, now. Hi. Hi. So the first thing you do in the morning is greet your parents. So the first thing you do in the morning is greet your parents. Son, up on it. Ah, njunga. Then here is mom's room. Then this is another room where someone sleeps. There, coming to here is another storage room over there. And then here we have a marula tree. It's in the house. It actually gives a very nice shade, and we have so much open space there. We have so much of the open space there. That grass you see is the one that we normally use to fix our head, to make our heads, our traditional heads. Yeah. We have Unjuo. This is a room that is actually for my mom also. And we have some little structure here whereby mom is growing some plants. I don't know what she is growing there. Even here it looks like she grew something. Oh, here it's a mango tree. It's a little mango tree. And then in this one, again a little mango tree. That is a pata. That's where we prepare our food there. And that is another storage room. This is another storage room. And I want to show you something very interesting. This is one of the storage that we use to store our mahango throughout the whole year. The opening is there over there, and right now we discovered because there is mahango inside. This is one of them, and then we have covered it with the animal dag, like cattle dag that we used in water, and put around here to just make it strong so that it doesn't come off, or so that it doesn't give space to this lizards to go inside. So yeah, this is where we saw, and this is the heads that you once we put over it when we have to, yeah, to just cover it and prevent it from the rain. Like I said, this is this room, and from here is a tree. This is another storage room. That is another storage room, and that's basically it. Welcome once again to our humble home, and thank you so much, you guys, for clicking. Thank you so much for deciding to watch this video. If you are new to this channel, please, like I said, may you please subscribe. May you please turn on your post notification bell so that you'll be always notified when I post a video. It's also another way of supporting me. Yes.